Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my video. Today I'm gonna unbox the most beautiful gift from my husband. It took him 2 months to order this present. I can't wait to open this one. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Let's open with me. The color looks so aesthetic. It's pink and hologram. Dynamite is my favorite song, so when I look at this gift, I feel very happy. The packaging has a sticker. Aww, it's so cute. Wow, the CD is so adorable. Wow, this one too, oh my god. 3 CDs. Wow. And guys, for connect with your imagination, you can use with MacBook or Android. And yes, please look at this hot pink. It's so pretty, I love it. Oh, I'm so excited. It looks like a dream, you know. Yes, this is the whole packaging. So beautiful, right? Ta-da! This is how it works. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy the video. See you next time. Bye!